Both of them. Huh? Are you stupid, mate? Morning, morning.
Are you the bloke on TikTok?
Well, they steal my stuff and put it on TikTok. Nice car.
Wicked.
Sorry?
How you doing? You alright?
I'm good, thanks. How are you doing?
Yeah, not too
Good to
bad.
see you, man.
Not too bad.
Mike.
Mike, I've seen you around a bit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like this man's car.
It's a lovely car.
One on the phone.
Everyone on TikTok's ripping my stuff off.
Yeah. Gotta be on TikTok. You catch people on the phone.
All on the wrong side, like here.
And they go overtake it.
I had a very angry one earlier on. Ooh.
Really? You have to stop him.
Well, I started putting the bike out with me so that they don't drive, because you'd have driven through me otherwise, I think.
Yeah,
What's
yeah.
your name? Nice to meet you, man.
You too, mate. Let's see altitude. It's crazy up that way.
Is it?
Oh,
Are they going on the wrong side as well there?
No, the little cycle lane coming in this way.
Oh, it's always blocked, isn't
Block
it?
that. I'm like, oh, come on.
So apparently the police can't enforce that.
There's no signs.
No, because there's something not quite a DFT spec about it.
Okay, yeah, I thought that might be the case.
So that's why they can't enforce it, sadly.
Yeah.
But yeah, it is a bit irritating, isn't it?
Yeah. Sometimes it gets me, other times just fly by. Anyway, keep up the good work.
Morning, morning, sir. Be lucky.
Yourself a life one day, yeah. Are you?
Little bedwetter. Does he any idea what a great life I have?